The Excel University program really puts everything together into one package that is useful, especially for CPAs, to work with the program that can help them with their professional life. My name is Penny Lee, and I work in the cross-border tax group at KPMG. I am a US CPA, and I am based in Toronto. I'm not a paid actor. I actually finished the master's program. I actually wanted to improve on the Excel Visual Basic programming, which led me to sign up for Excel University. And overall, I wanted to improve on my Excel skills as well, outside of the VBA part of the program. I have made a income sourcing template after taking the program for the cross-border clients who have income from both Canadian and US sources. VBA itself isn't a really simple concept to absorb, and I knew from the very beginning when I signed up for the program that Jeff can explain this in a very easy to understand way, and that is the biggest takeaway. It's more comprehensive. I think that's the biggest part, and everything is divided into topics so you can easily find what you're looking for versus searching online for a specific topic that you think can solve your problem. There is probably a better way in the Excel University program that you can find. So this income sourcing template that I made are geared towards high net worth clients with a stack of income tax slips for a year. Those income tax returns for their personal side normally takes 20 hours. With this Excel template that I produced based on what I learned from Excel University, I think it can cut that time in half, and it makes all of the taxpayers' income tax related items for their income and expenses in one sheet. So you can see the taxpayer's tax situation in one glance. I would recommend it to all CPAs because there really isn't a professional training program that can train you in Excel. And Excel University just offers that one stop shop. And I think Jeff's way of simplifying things and explaining the program in a way that is very easy to understand can really give a new CPA a comprehensive training for better equipping themselves for their future careers.